winter, now it's summer. Touchdown Boracay.
The sun is shining. The sun is shining down on us. There's nowhere I'd rather be.
And whenever I'm traveling, usually it's adventure and nalilimutan ko na mag-relax. And thankfully, we're here right now at Patio Pasig. I'm gonna be staying here for 3 nights. I'm gonna explore Boracay and outside Boracay. So let's see what's in here. Samahan niyo ako mag-wander for 3 nights. Ooh, touchdown Boracay! After 3 years, I'm finally back here. We just saw pick up by Island Star Express. Now we're gonna transfer to Patio Pacific Boracay to check in and relax for a while. After long travel, yeah, summer. Just arrived dito sa Patio Pacific Boracay. Mag-room tour lang tayo. Wow! Yan, ito yung room natin. Good for 2 persons. Tapos, welcome to Patio Pacific. It's very comfy bed. It's been a long time since naka-experience ako ng luxury. And it's good to reward ourselves. It's very nice sunset. And, meron sila ditong cabinet, of course. Tapos, refrigerator. Punta naman natin. Oh my gosh, may bathtub. For as low as 2,500 per night per person, may ganito ka na with access na rin sa pool and gym. After a long travel, yeah, tulog muna tayo. Good to be back after so many years. Medyo naninibago lang ako dahil yeah, it's so crowded here, but it's good to spend your time with your family, and it's been a long time since I bond with them. I think our last travel together was way back 3 years ago when we went here also in Boracay. I think so much have changed here. But yeah, I can say that Boracay is the #1 tourist destination in the Philippines. If you just want to chill and be with the tourists and just watch the sunset, live in the moment, a nice place to spend. Since we have option that we can chill to our accommodation in Patio Boracay, it's also a good thing. So kapag kasama mo yung nanay mo, unlimited picture siya. Unlimited picture rin po. Magpipicture lang po sila. It's been a long time since I've seen the sunset here in Boracay. Kanin, sinangag. Meron silang kalabasa. So, sulit na yung breakfast mo. Tapos, tuyo. Oh, tagal ko hindi kumain ng tuyo. Kaya nakakamiss yung pagkain. Nung nasa ibang bansa ako, tinapay lang yung pagkain nila. Buti na dito meron silang variety of buffet. Mukhang tataba ako dito. Dapat ano. Akala ko pumayat ako. Pero since sobrang dami nilang pagkain, mukhang tataba tayo. Meron pang dessert, prutas, tapos variety of food, not just bread. Egg, squash for balanced diet. Balanced diet? Yan, it's been a long time since my last staycation. Ngayon, most of the time, nag-edit lang ako sa umaga. And dito na kami nagla-lunch dahil medyo mainit lumabas ngayon. Yes, may nakasama ko. Buti na-convince ko yung tatay ko. Nagdala siya ng laptop dito. Dito na kami umorder ng pagkain kasi ang init lumabas. And meron silang mga pinapa-order dito na food. So, it's been a long time since nag-try ako ng sinigang. So, alam mo yung kahit mainit, masarap humikip ng sabaw. Wala na akong sinigang. Paano feeling kasama mo na ako?
Ano daw ang feeling at kasama na natin siya? Siyempre masaya. Kaya isang pamilya dapat ay kumpleto. Laging nakakasama.
So, tour ko lang kayo dito sa gym nila. So, thankfully, merong indoor gym dito kasi napakainit talaga sa labas. It's been a long time since wala tayong exercise. Buti na lang meron silang indoor gym dito. Oh, ayan, thankfully, meron na silang aircon dito. Tapos, meron silang 3 treadmill. At meron din silang 2 elliptical here and 1 bicycle. So, makakapag-exercise tayo kahit na mainit sa labas. So, and meron din palang coach dito. Hello, coach! Ilan po kayo dito, coach? 4. So, daily kayong nandito. So, it's a good thing na makapag-gym tayo kahit non-stop yung travel natin. Nanay ko, ano lang siya? Display lang. Display lang siya. So, CR. Tayo sa kanilang pool. So, meron silang napakalaking pool dito. So, even if you're a group, it's perfect to swim and relax. And along this pool, makikita rin natin yung gym dito sa likod. Tinatamad pa akong mag-explore sa beach. So, it's a good thing na meron silang pool dito at mag-relax lang muna tayo. Pumunta ako ng Boracay para magbakasyon. Pero sayang naman kung hindi tayo magbabike dito. Since naikot ko na dati ang isla, ngayon nalabas naman tayo outside Boracay. Sinamahan ako dito ng Siklista de Boracay. Pwede rin kayo mag-rent ng bicycle sa kanila. Dadalhin daw nila ako sa may magandang view. Bahala na kung saan. So ayun, tumawid na kami pupunta sa mainland dito sa Malay Aklan. Kailangan mo rin mag-login sa information center kapag lalabas ka ng isla. Paglabas namin dito, napapaligiran pa rin kami ng mga karagatan. Nadaanan namin ang airport. Nakakapanibago dahil lakaba naman ako nung pumunta kami dito. Ang init, nagbagla kami paakyat ng windmill dito. Unlimited ang ahon, ang sarap din dahil yung ibang daan, grabe na rin. Ito yung na-observe ko sa Pilipinas. Mas natural ang mga kalikasan. Dahil sa napuntahan kong parte sa Japan, halos madami ng struktura ang nakatayo. Dito yung overlooking view ng Boracay and other parts of Panay. Yan. Ayan, narating na namin ang windmill. Grabe ang ganda dito. Kitang-kita namin ang view ng isla ng Boracay at ang Malay Aklan na rin. So, ayan, pagkatapos ng ahon, lumusong na kami. Saya mag-ride dito, puro lusong lang. Hindi ko pinapakita yung ahon. Nakatawag pala dito sa... Oh gosh. Parang karera. Ay! Kaya welcome to Boracay! Ulit na ulit. English para sa international audience. I would like to take my daughter for touring here in Boracay for the 6th time. Oh, 6th time? Pero lang nakapagod yung adventure ko kanina and papahinga muna kami. Dito na rin kami order ng beer. So para mamaya drinks na lang tayo outside. So meron sila dito palong. Tapos ito is calamares, Bicol Express. So nakamiss ko itong Bicol Express. So try natin siya. May bagoong din siya. So what an amazing stay here in Passion Pacific. Now I'm heading back to Manila. So short, but it's really worth it for the past 4 days of just chilling and relaxing.
Since pangilang Boracay ko na to, ang goal ko naman this time ay mag-chill lang sa beach. Staycation, slow down, and enjoy the present moment with my family. Since palagi ako nasa lisan, yung mga ganitong bagay, bihira lang to mangyari. So this is your sign to have a budget quality staycation with your family in Boracay. Make sure to save this video for your next adventure.